Good morning, viewers. You are watching AK English Learning, and this is Miss Kanchan. Today, we are going to look at 4 uses of quite. 1. Before an adjective or adverb to mean less than very and more than a little. Example: it's quite cold and it's raining quite heavily today. We can use quite before a verb, often the verbs like and enjoy. Example: I quite like watching football, but I don't love playing it. We can use quite before an adjective plus noun. Example: my brother is quite a good musician. But if we take an adjective away and just have quite plus noun, the meaning changes. Example: my brother is quite a musician, which means my brother is a very good musician. He is impressive. So, quite is quite useful, isn't it?